G'day ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls and everyone in between. Welcome to howtoplaythesax.com, where we are all about having fun, playing saxophone, being awesome and repeating. In this series of little warm-up exercises, lessons probably a bit too strong a word, more of a play-along series of scales. Scales are really good for you. Scales are really good for your saxophone. Scales are great for your fingers, they're great for your ears, they're great for your brains. Scales, 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 scales. Please play your scales. In this little play-along session, we will play our F major, F for Fred, major on our alto saxophones, F major scale. Now with these scales warm-ups, they're more fun if we play them together. Scales are a little bit tedious, but long, slow scales are important. But we will do 2 beats each for each note. We will then do 1 beat for each note, and then we'll do half a beat for each note. F major scale on our alto saxophones. Play along with me. F major. We'll start slowly, and if you can do it even slower, that would be better. F major. Are you ready? 1, 2, 2 beats. 1, 2, 3, ha. Awesome. Can we just go down? Keep going down. We'll go down to our B flat with our F major scale. Still 2 beats. Starting on our F, we'll go down to the B flat and then back up to our F again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, ha. Awesome, good. This is good. This is good. Okay, let's do 1 beat each. 1 beat per note, all the way up, all the way down, and then we'll keep going down and we'll come back to our F. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, ha. Well done, well done, well done, well done. Okay, let's do half a beat each. Half a beat each. La 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 la. And we'll keep going up, and then we'll come back down to our F, and we'll keep going down to the B flat, and then we'll come back to our F. Half a beat each note. Da 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 da. 1, 2, 3, ha. Alright, well done. Scales are the vegetables of music. F major scale, it's a great scale. I would encourage you to do this one again and also do a few more. Do 2 more, do 5 more, do 11 more. Do as many scales as you can, as slowly as you can, but hey, move up to some speed as well. But the trick is to do it slowly. Thank you. My name's Matthew. I will see you in another lesson at another time inside the members area at howtoplaythesax.com. Thank you.
Thank you.